Hello everyone, today I'm going to review multifunctional grinder. This one is made of stainless and then you can grind coffee, cardamom, nuts and spices. So let's see. Wow. What's this grinder? It's very good. Wow, this is so nice. Look. This is cool. It looks durable, guys. Grinder. But hang on. There's a warning sign here. What does it mean? Warning. Don't overheat. Alright. So we have to wash this one first. This one, guys, cannot remove. So if you want to wash, you just carry the wire like this. Guys, stainless is very good quality. It won't rust. So if you're looking for a grinder, it's better to choose stainless. Now I just washed, my dear. Let's see. It's dry already, but we need to dry it again. Nice. Can I take it out? Yeah, it's attached. Okay, guys, look. It's already dry. Okay guys, we're going to grind flax seeds. As you know, you should grind your flax seeds for better digestion, right? So let's see. How does it work? Okay, first plug it. Okay, and then is it ready? We need only grinder, guys. Simple grinder. How does it work? Guys, you have to cover this first before it works, because you have to press this one in order to work this grinder. So if it is like this only without putting the cover, it won't turn on. So there's no turn on button here. So all you can do is to put this one first. Okay, so let's try. So guys, let's see. Let's put at least one half cup of flax seeds. All right, that's it. And then we have to cover. Okay, flax seeds, guys, if you are suffering of constipation, you better take flax seeds, okay? It can help you to, you know, to soften your stool. Flax seeds are rich in fiber. Wow, wow, that's great. Can you see that, guys? It's so wow. It's heavy duty. Yeah. Wow. Now I'm going to show you. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, can you see that? Now we can make flax seeds. Cool. Guys, a big mistake, guys. Do you know what? This flax seed is raw. You have to toast first. Okay, if you have flax seeds, you have to roast, okay, for a few minutes, and then you can grind, and then after that you can add some hot water, or you can sprinkle this in your food or in your salad. Yeah, but oh no, I grind without roasting this one. Anyway, guys, I can just roast this one. Okay, we have to save the product. I cannot consume this one, guys. We cannot add this raw flax seeds powder to our food because it's not good at all. We have to roast first. Okay, always remember, every seed you have to roast first before consume or before grinding. Okay? Guys, it's refined. Look at that. Alright, now we have to transfer to this clean container. Wow. Cool. We have ground flax seeds. Real good. Alright. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, bye for now.